Did you know that after age 45, your body starts losing its natural glow faster than you can imagine? Not because of age alone, but because of something missing deep inside your cells? Imagine waking up, looking in the mirror and seeing tired eyes, dull skin, and that faint reminder of who you used to be. But what if just 3 vitamins could help you look and feel younger? Almost overnight? Let's be honest. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or gray hair. It's about that quiet feeling when you realize your body doesn't bounce back the way it used to. You moisturize, you eat healthy, you even sleep better than before. Yet somehow your skin looks tired, your energy feels low, and your confidence starts to fade. I've seen it happen to women everywhere and strong, beautiful women who simply don't realize their body is silently craving certain nutrients that keep them radiant and youthful. The truth is, after 40, your body changes at a microscopic level. Hormones shift, collagen breaks down, and the little energy factories inside your cells, called mitochondria, begin to slow down. That's why no matter how many creams you apply, your skin won't truly glow until you nourish it from the inside. So today, we're uncovering the 3 life-changing vitamins that can help older women restore their glow, tighten their skin, and bring back that spark, naturally and safely. These aren't magic pills. They're science-backed nutrients that fuel your body's own rejuvenation process. But before we begin, tell me honestly in the comments. Have you noticed your skin or energy changing after 40? What's been your biggest struggle? Now let's dive into the story and the science behind each of these youth-boosting vitamins. Vitamin number 1, vitamin D, the Sunshine Reawakener. There's a woman named Clara, 62 years old, who spent years feeling invisible. She loved gardening, but one day she realized she didn't even enjoy the sun anymore, because it reminded her of the age spots and wrinkles on her skin. But what Clara didn't know was that the very sunlight she avoided held the key to her glow: vitamin D. Vitamin D is more than just the sunshine vitamin. It's the master hormone that regulates mood, energy, and cellular renewal. When levels drop, which happens naturally with age, your skin loses elasticity, your bones weaken, and fatigue quietly sets in. That dull, tired look? It often begins with a vitamin D deficiency. Research shows that vitamin D helps stimulate the production of collagen, the very protein that keeps your skin plump, smooth, and firm. It also supports your immune system, reducing inflammation that makes your skin look puffy and older. Think of vitamin D as your body's natural light switch, turning back on the youthful processes that time slowly dimmed. When Clara began, spending just 15 minutes in morning sunlight and taking 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily after consulting her doctor, something amazing happened. Within weeks, her energy rose, her mood lifted, her skin started to feel alive again, and for the first time in years, she smiled at her reflection, because she saw the woman she used to be. So, if you've been feeling a little dimmed down, remember, sometimes the light you need isn't in a jar. It's inside you, waiting to be switched back on. Quick tip: take vitamin D3, the active form, with your breakfast. It's fat-soluble, so it absorbs best with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Have you ever noticed your mood changing with sunlight? Tell me below, I'd love to know. Vitamin number 2, vitamin C, the radiance maker. Every time Sarah, 58, looked at old family photos, she saw something she missed. Not her younger face, but the brightness in her eyes and skin. Years of stress, sun exposure, and late nights had stolen that youthful radiance. But when she learned the secret of vitamin C, everything changed. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants in nature, and your body can't make it on its own. It's essential for collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin smooth, tight, and glowing. Without enough vitamin C, your skin loses its firmness and begins to sag, no matter how expensive your moisturizer is. But here's the part most women don't know. Vitamin C doesn't just help you look better, it helps your cells heal faster. It protects your skin from free radicals, boosts your immune system, and even improves iron absorption, which keeps your blood richly oxygenated. And oxygenated blood means your skin literally glows from within. Sarah began drinking a glass of warm water with lemon every morning and added 1,000 milliliters of vitamin C to her daily routine. Within 2 weeks, her coworkers asked if she had changed her skincare products, but she hadn't. Her glow came from the inside out. Vitamin C also reduces dark spots and supports even skin tone, making it one of the best anti-aging nutrients you can take. When combined with vitamin E or collagen peptides, its effect multiplies, giving your skin a firm, hydrated, and luminous appearance. So, if you're tired of chasing miracle creams, try nourishing your glow from within, because beauty isn't built on makeup, it's built on molecules. Tip: eat colorful foods rich in vitamin C, oranges, kiwis, strawberries, and bell peppers. Or choose a liposomal vitamin C supplement for better absorption. Vitamin number 3, vitamin B12, the energy restorer. Now let me tell you about Helen. At 67, she felt constantly tired, and even after sleeping well. Her face looked pale, her hair had thinned, and she often said, "I just don't feel like myself anymore." Doctors found something surprising. She was deficient in vitamin B12, a nutrient essential for nerve health, red blood cells, and energy production. Low B12 levels don't just drain your body, they age your appearance. When your blood lacks enough oxygen-carrying cells, your skin looks dull, your nails weaken, and your hair loses its shine. After just 1 month on B12 supplements, Helen felt reborn. Her face regained color, her eyes looked clearer, and that spark, that joyful glow, came back. Because B12 doesn't just give energy, it revives life in your cells. Vitamin B12 helps your body produce new, healthy cells faster. That means brighter skin, stronger hair, and a more youthful expression. It also improves focus and mood, which shows in your posture, your smile, and your confidence. If you're vegetarian or vegan, this vitamin is even more crucial since it's mainly found in animal products. Look for a methylcobalamin form of B12. It's easier for your body to absorb and use efficiently. Take it in the morning so you stay energized throughout the day. Quick reminder: if you've been feeling constant fatigue, numbness, or mood swings, get your B12 levels checked. Sometimes the secret to youth is not in the mirror but in your blood. Bonus tip: the synergy that turns back time. Here's the beautiful part. These 3 vitamins work together like a perfect orchestra. Vitamin D boosts your energy and mood, vitamin C brightens your skin, and vitamin B12 strengthens your cells and blood flow. Together they awaken your natural radiance, not a fake glow, but one born from health and vitality. When your inside world is nourished, your outside beauty shines effortlessly. You don't need expensive serums or filters because your glow becomes real. That's the kind of beauty that never fades with age. To maximize the effect, pair these vitamins with a good night's sleep. Your body regenerates while you rest. Daily movement. It keeps your circulation strong. Hydration. Every vitamin works better with water. And most importantly, self-love. Because when you love yourself enough to care for your body, it responds with grace. The beauty that time can't steal. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Youth isn't about reversing age. It's about reviving life. When you feed your body what it's quietly been asking for, vitamin D, vitamin C, and vitamin B12, you remind every cell that it's still alive, capable, and beautiful. And that's something creams, injections, or filters can never replace. So next time you look in the mirror, don't count the years. Count the light returning to your eyes, the strength in your smile, and the confidence in your step. Because beauty isn't lost with age. It's rediscovered when you care for yourself from the inside. You're not aging, you're evolving. And your body is waiting for you to give it what it needs to glow again. Start with these 3 vitamins and watch how your reflection and your spirit come back to life. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss what's next on women's health and natural beauty. And if you want to learn how to boost collagen naturally after 50, check out the next video right here. Your skin will thank you for it.